Ukrainian forces carried out a successful cruise missile attack into Russia. Local outlets report that a Ukrainian Neptun cruise missile hit a Russian ammunition dump in Ostrogozhsk, Voronezh Oblast, with secondary explosions and fire seen nearby. The Ukrainian Defense Intelligence claimed it successfully struck a field ammunition depot near the village of Ostrogozhsk in Russia's Voronezh region. The depot contained over 5,000 tons of ammunition, including artillery and tank shells, small arms ammunition, and surface-to-air missiles. It feels like Russian firefighters at the Proletarsk fuel depot do nothing but run around, yell "Blyat!", freak out, shoot vids, and then move to another reservoir that's about to explode. It's been 7th day already. In Kursk region, UAZ 31521 carrying Russian Marines was ambushed by Ukrainian paratroopers of the 3rd Battalion of the 82nd Air Assault Brigade. As a result, 4 enemies were killed and 2 captured. There are a lot of dead bodies, so we can't show you everything.
Вертушки! Давай ще 2 людей! Знімай нахуй, знімай! Лежать, сука! Обернись нахуй! Обернувся! Куди ти можеш? Вставай, вставай бігом! Райгер, райгер, райгер! Тут один цілий! Плюс 2 живих!
Плюс, отправляю еще карандашик к тебе на помощь.
Дай я собі турнікет, я тримаю його, тримаю.
A Ukrainian armed forces kamikaze drone destroyed a Russian BM-27 Uragan, multiple rocket launcher in the Belgorod region. Robert Magyar reveals details of a new program for Ukrainian drone pilots that offers financial rewards for hitting specific targets. The program also allows pilots to accumulate points, which can be converted into drone equipment for their units. The image shows a T-90 tank, which would earn the soldier who destroyed it a reward of $8,000. I have to share some important news, even though time is short. Just before Independence Day, combat pilots received exciting and long-awaited news. Every target hit or destroyed by drones, once identified, logged into the appropriate system, and confirmed as destroyed, will now be assigned points. All pilots know which software is used, so it's vital to not be lazy and add everything from a laid mine to a video of a specific target with the attachment of coordinates and photo-video recording. These points can be converted into funds, which the unit can use to acquire flight equipment through a special motivational program. This process, well known to pilots, involves everything from placing a mine to hitting a specific target, complete with coordinates and photo-video documentation. From a wounded Russian soldier to a destroyed Orion drone, a wrecked vehicle, or a downed plane, each target now has a monetary value. This is a significant development because it provides a clear arithmetic way to compensate for drone use. I'm not sure if this news has been widely reported yet. I haven't checked. So, I'm providing only a general overview. What I can say is that the list of confirmed targets is extensive and impressive. The rewards are substantial. For example, pilots will receive for a destroyed cannon, for an APC, for a tank, and the equivalent of 1 FPV drone for each eliminated enemy soldier. This is truly exciting. Just recently, in the Kursk region, an FPV F-7 drone took out a T-90 tank, which equates to 15 to 17 high-quality FPV drones. That's the kind of math that keeps you up at night. All details will likely be made public soon. If not, Specialized units will certainly be informed. Stay safe and stay sharp. Russian infantry seems to have already advanced into the center of Novohrodivka, Pokrovsk axis. The video shows them taking a Ukrainian MBT out of action with an RPG. A crew member can be seen leaving the vehicle. This means Russia already surpassed the Ukrainian defensive line. Putin discussed the situation in Kursk region with Gerasimov. The Kremlin published this weird video. It has no sound, and all the papers are blurred. Now lip readers are needed? Can anyone make out their words? A terrified Russian man opens his gate to a Ukrainian soldier in the Kursk region. Having listened to Russian propaganda, he believes that he is about to be brutally interrogated. Instead, he receives some food and walks away in shock.
Лягайте, віддихайте. Всього вам найкращого.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.